is calculus, and we are going to look at maxima and minima. And the question reads, a rectangular plate has a perimeter of 28 centimeters. Determine the dimensions of the plate that gives the maximum area. So what we're simply going to have here, let's sketch. So we have a rectangular plate. So we have its length represented by L and its width W. We are given that the perimeter is 28. So that perimeter, which is always calculated by twice the sum of the length and the width, that is what should give us 28. So we're going to use this equation here to express one dimension in terms of the other. So we are going to express L in terms of W. So first of all, we are going to divide both sides by 2 so that we have L plus W is equal to 14. From there, we say L is equal to 14, so W comes to the right hand side, so we have 14 minus W. So L has been expressed in terms of W. So the next thing, we're going to get the area, and the area of a rectangle is given by length times width, and the length we already have expressed as 14 minus W, so that will be 14 minus W times W. So that would mean that the area is therefore 14W minus W squared. And in the question we are told to determine the dimensions of the plate that give the maximum area. So for the maximum area, the derivative of area with respect to the width, dA dW, should be 0. And dA dW means that we differentiate this expression. So we differentiate with respect to W. 14W differentiated, that gives us 14 minus W squared, that is 2W. And this should be equivalent to 0. So from this equation here, we can get the value of W. So we have 2W is equal to 14. So 2W crosses. And then finally, dividing both sides by 2, W becomes 7. So if W is 7, then L will say that is 14 minus W, so that will be 14 minus W, which is 7. So the length, so the length here is 7. So finally we had the width is equal to 7 centimeters and the length is also 7 centimeters. So these are the dimensions that will give us maximum area of the rectangle. So that's it for this problem. Thanks for your patience. Thank you for watching. See you next time.